times, sorry, twice. Sorry, 2 Sun Salutation A. Then second one, we add high crescent. Okay, look straight. Inhale, arms up to look thumbs, look hand. Exhale, down. Head and chest up, come up halfway. Hands on the floor, step back or jump back. High plank, shoulders above the hands. Come down from the knees and the chest. Legs and hip off the floor. Up dog. Front of the feet on the floor. Press the feet, look up. Down dog, hang the head. Okay, hands, shoulder, waist, feet, hip, waist, big hands. Middle fingers or index fingers in the center, tailbone up. Okay, now when you're ready, look between the hands. Step or jump. Legs straight, head up. Head down. Okay, come up. Look, thumbs. Arms. Okay, another one. Inhale, arms up to look hands. Exhale, down. Head and chest up, come up halfway. Hands on the floor, step back or jump back. Okay, high plank. Keep your elbows on the shoulder, waist. Come down to crocodile. Up dog, front of the feet on the floor. Keep your abdominal muscle pulled in, look up. Down dog. Okay, hang the head. Okay, stretch up. Push your hands into the floor, tailbone up. Okay. Now, from here, we do high crescent. So lift your right leg. Then swing that down, bring your foot forward. So plant the foot between the hands or behind the hand. Okay, back leg is straight in this one. Back heel is off the floor. Then put both hands on the knee. Just look at something. Focus on something. Then make yourself upright. Once you're upright, look straight, hands in prayer. So this is a high crescent. Okay, then shift your weight to the front leg. So mentally, shift your weight to the front leg. Take as many steps as you need. Come to one leg balance. Okay, keep your weight on the front leg as long as possible. Then step back to high plank. Okay, very good. So again, keep looking at something. So no high plank, high crescent. Then look at something. Then we do the same. So shift your weight to the front leg. Come to one leg balance. We stay this time. Keep the knee lifted high. Okay, well done. Put the foot down. Okay, we just cut the corners a little bit and then we step back. We go to down dog straight away. So we just skip sun salutation. So come to tabletop. Tuck your toes. Push your bottom up to the ceiling. Down dog. Okay, so when you're ready, you lead with left leg. So lift your left leg. Then swing that down, shoulders forward, plant the foot behind the hands or between the hands. Okay, front knees bent, back heel is off the floor. Put both hands on the front knee. So Get strong. Look at something. Make yourself upright. Then look at something else in front of you. Hands in prayer. High crescent pose. Back heel is off the floor. Then look at something. Focus. Shift your weight to the front leg. Then come to one leg balance. Take as many steps as you need. Keep looking at the same spot. Big step back. Okay, high crescent. Okay, again, shift your weight to the front leg. Look at something. Then come to one leg balance. Stay. Keep the knee lifted high. Okay, put that down. Okay, well done. That's quite a difficult transition. Well done.